Today, we're going to transform a humble beetroot into something truly beautiful and edible, a stunning decorative rose. Our secret starts with a perfectly cooked beetroot. This one has been gently simmered for about 4 hours until fork tender, then allowed to cool completely. It's crucial that it's cold, as this helps with clean, firm slices. Now for the magic. Using a very sharp knife or mandolin for precision, we're going to slice the beetroot as thinly as possible. Think paper thin. These delicate slices will become our rose petals. Let's start building our rose. Take your very first, thinnest slice. Gently roll it up tightly to form the central bud of your rose. This will be the heart of our creation. Now, we'll begin layering. Take another thin slice and carefully wrap it around your central bud, slightly overlapping the previous layer. Continue adding slices, fanning them out slightly as you go to mimic the natural opening of a rose. Each new layer should cradle the one before it. Keep adding petals, gradually increasing the size of the slices as your rose grows until you're happy with its fullness. The natural stickiness of the beetroot, combined with a precise layering, hold it all together beautifully. No toothpicks or glue needed. And there you have it, a stunning, all-natural beetroot rose. Perfect as a garnish for salads, appetizers, or even a decorative touch on a charcuterie board. It's a simple touch that adds so much elegance. Try it out and impress your guests. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative cooking ideas. Thanks for watching.